This video, we will share with you 2 unique Chinese ways to propagate fruit trees. These methods will also be easy to apply to your garden. Want to grow your own lemon trees? Then try out their techniques. Let's check them out together. This lemon tree has plenty of branches. We'll choose a promising spot and use one of these arrow-shaped branches. First, we'll try this air layering propagation method. Score the branch by cutting around the bark, just through the outer layer. Then, with the tip of the knife, gently peel back the bark. This little gap makes it easier to get a good grip. The bark is completely removed. Once it's peeled, scrape gently a thin layer on the surface of the xylem. This step is crucial because it can help the wound heal over. We need to scrape it away to prevent blocking the roots. Next up, he's using a small slice of banana on the scored spot. Press the banana on the ringed area. Now, this is a bit unconventional. There could be 2 reasons. Firstly, bananas contain water and some nutrients. Theoretically, at the scored area, it could provide some moisture and nutrition. Secondly, some compounds in bananas may encourage root growth. But these practices lack scientific backing or widespread validation. In fruit tree propagation, it's more common to use cocoa coir or moss for moisture retention, and combine that with rooting powder or plant growth regulators to promote root development. But with a banana, we'll have to watch till the end to see. He places damp soil onto a sheet of plastic wrap, wraps it directly around the scored area, and secures it with tape. While we wait for roots, let's try another method to propagate lemon tree branches. This one is much simpler than air layering. First, grab 2 pieces of cactus. Then, insert the branches directly into the cactus. Will this actually grow roots? Let's see how he chooses a branch for this, and then we'll see the result. First, let's take a look at its growth. Cut a rough to centimeters section of branch. Keep it about 8 to 10 inches long to fit the planting depth. Then, strip some of the outer bark at the bottom, exposing the wood underneath to increase the root area. For this propagation, he uses river sand as the medium, because river sand provides great drainage and aeration. It's suitable for propagating many types of fruit trees. After preparing the branches, he grabs 2 pieces of cactus, pokes some small holes in them, and places them directly on the surface of the sand. Then inserts the branches into the holes, a unique way to propagate lemon tree branches. Looks strange, right? Actually, once the cactus is buried in the soil, it just acts as a slow-release fertilizer. The main component of cactus is fiber. Over time, the cactus will slowly decompose in the soil, releasing nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, making the soil more fertile and helping compensate for the lack of nutrients in the sand. After a month, a surprising discovery: the tips of the lemon branches have sprouted new shoots and buds. This indicates the branch is on its way to establishing itself. But it's still too young, not suitable for digging up yet. We need to wait a while longer to check again. Fast forward to 50 days. The young shoots on the branches have fully extended leaves. At this stage, you can dig them up and transplant them. After removing it from the sand, you see the original cactus has completely decomposed into nutrients in the soil, and the lemon branches show strong signs of life. Their root systems are robust and healthy. At this point, whether you transplant them in a field or into larger containers to grow, they all have the potential to thrive in any environment. So, let's check on that air layering method. The lemon shoot propagated by air layering. You can clearly see through the plastic wrap. The root system has encased the soil. A sign of success. Looks like that banana trick might work. Opening the wrap, although the soil is a little dry. The root system is still vigorous and strong. Just cut it off and transplant it. This is a separate, large seedling. These two methods can both get you new plants quickly. Ways to get fruit trees. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more.